Code Academy Uganda is an organization that envisions an Africa where every child has an opportunity to program a computer. We have 3 core programs. That is the Code School, where we come to schools and train. We give free sessions. Code Club, still this happens within the school setting, every term, an hour a week, where children enroll in a club and they get to learn computer programming. Then we have the mega program, the Code Camp, that happens every single holiday. What we do at the Academy majorly is we introduce them to the world of computer programming through our computer science course, where the journey begins from scratch, having them learn with creating games and animations using Scratch, and moving them to things like AI, machine learning, robotics, artificial intelligence in Python, app development. We have them get to embrace the digital world with an understanding that they can participate in it not merely as consumers but also as digital creators. We happen to be at the Ministry of ICT every holiday. You can find us through our website, that is www.codeacademyug.org. You can also get us at our offices in Pelere, in Mogalu Zone. You can reach us there, or you can contact us via these phone numbers. You can call or WhatsApp 0774 802 292. We believe that these children represent the future of our country, and having them tap into the right skill now is going to be very paramount for them tomorrow.